Hi guys, today I'm making butter chicken and I use this is what I use for my butter chicken, and you can get this in any Walmart. And what I typically do is I like to have my chicken kind of brown on one side. Of course, I season it from the night before, so I kind of saute on one side, and then put the seasoning in. See, then I kind of get it like a little bit kind of brownish on one side, kind of fry it a little bit. Kind of fry it a little bit. And then after it's fried like this, typically I pour it out the pot and then I saute my seasoning, but I'll show you guys how I do that. So typically chicken breast does not take a long time to cook, as you guys know. So I poured some oil in after I poured the chicken out, and I'm going to put my seasoning in, and I'm going to saute it. Oops. I'm going to put some more oil. I'm just going to saute the vegetables, or the seasoning actually. You want to make it crispy, you don't want to overcook it. And then when this is done now, what I do is I put the chicken in, and then I just pour the sauce over it. Okay, so this is where we are, and this is what this looks like. Just in case you're wondering why it looks like I put powder seasoning on it, I did. I used Mrs. Dash original blend, and also the table blend, and I absolutely love cooking with garlic, so I have Cool Runnings garlic, even though we're losing the wording on it, but it's garlic. Okay, and then I'm going to pour in the chicken. And just put a little right here. And I pour the butter chicken sauce on. Maybe I should take a little water in it. Okay, let's turn down the fire a little bit. Ooh, this smells so good. But guys, this is the end result. This is the final results. And there you have it. Butter chicken.